Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a millet rice business factory and more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a millet rice business. When starting a millet rice business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 400 kilograms of millet rice per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, begin with a 400 kilograms per day capacity for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 1000 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 800 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully using the 800 kilograms per day capacity, then consider upgrading to 1000 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a millet rice business with a factory capacity of 100 kg per hour, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing millet, you will need pre-cleaning and recleaning machines for removing dust, dirt, and other impurities from millet grains. Aim for a capacity of 100 kg per hour machine, costing around 100,000 rupees. Then you will need the hulling machine used to remove the outer husk of the millet grains, a critical step in millet processing. Start ideally with a capacity of 100 kg per hour, which should cost around 250,000 rupees. You should also have packaging machine, which helps in efficiently packaging processed millet into various sizes, ready for distribution, with a 100 kgs per hour capacity, costing about 10,000 to 20,000 rupees. You will also require a weighing machine for weighing ingredients and final product. A weighing scale up to 50 kilograms will cost around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.